Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the June Bellabox, so let's get into it. So the papers are actually on top of the paper this time, so that's different. So of course it is winter here in Australia, so maybe it's cold outside, and we've got all the products, and we've also got a little cookbook. This is from HelloFresh. It's one of those companies where you order ingredients for recipes that are like already in the box and stuff. I mean, I'm not really into that. It's expensive. I don't think I'll use it that service, but I'll take the cookbook. Why not, you know? Ooh, lots of stuff in here. And the first thing I see is this giant green one. It is the Neutrogena Naturals Multivitamin Nourishing Moisturiser. So this one is full size for $14.99, available at Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. So it replenishes essential skin nutrients and deeply moisturises your skin with Neutrogena Naturals Multivitamin Daily Moisturiser. Will leave you naturally radiant and healthier, younger looking skin. So yeah, keen to try that one out. It's good, sounds like a good moisturiser, so why not, yeah? That's it there. Don't mind if I do. I love when we get full size because sample moisturisers, full size, thank you.
Thank you, I'll come again.
Next thing I saw was this colourful one, and it is a BellaBabes Hair Hydrating Hair and Scalp Mask. So I think I'm probably only going to get a couple of uses out of this. I mean, there's still a decent amount in there. There's still 50 mils, so that's a decent amount of product, but at least you get like a screw top, so you can use it multiple times. But yeah. I received the raspberry scent. So the full size is a 100 mils, $18, available at the BellaBabes body website. But yeah, it's like a hydrating hair mask, so interested to try that one out and see if it actually does anything for my hair. Next we got a Nails Inc London nail polish in the shade Collingham Place. So this one is of course full size. It is $23, available at the website, David Jones and Sephora. So I love that we have like a higher end sort of product. But yeah, there was some controversy over these nail polishes in the fact that this colour is going out towards everyone, whereas there was an email for us to select the colour that we wanted, and then the nail polishes that everyone had picked got lost in transit arriving at the Bellabox warehouse. So instead everyone's getting the same colour instead of the colours that they picked, which is disappointing for some people. For me, I kind of picked a similar colour to this, so no I didn't, I picked a grey actually, so I still like the colour, so it's not a big deal for me, but I know some people are pretty angry. It's just a nail polish, guys, like. But yeah, I'm keen to see if this one is actually decent and it's not just going to become streaky. But working in food, I don't have the opportunity to wear nail products very often, so who knows when I'll actually get to use that one. Next we have a sample sachet. This is just the bonus. It is the Zuii Organic Certified Organic Gradual Face Tan Lotion. Don't think I'll be using this one. My face doesn't need to be tanned to this. My face is red to my white skin anyway. I don't need to create even more difference. So if you fake tan, you want this, let me know. The next thing we've got is a Burt's Bees product, and it is the Skin Nourishment Night Cream. So yeah, it's night cream with royal jelly. So ooh, very exciting. This is just a sample size, of course, but the full size is $39.95, available at Chemist Warehouse, Priceline, David Jones and Maya. So yeah, keen to try this one out. I don't usually use a night cream, I just use the same moisturiser I use in the morning, so yeah, I'll start using that one and see how it goes. I'm interested to see if royal jelly actually does anything compared to just moisturiser, but we already got another moisturiser, so we've got a day moisturiser, night moisturiser. Lots of moisturiser going on in this box. And the very last thing we got in here was a Juicy Peel mask. So this one is from Garnier. So it's a mask in a lemon scent. I think it's just a sheet mask. But yeah, I'll use it for sure one day, but it's not super exciting. I don't know if this is a sheet mask or if it's just a mask that you end up peeling off. I think it's just one of those peels, it's not a sheet mask. Either way, like, it'll get used eventually, right? But yeah, that seems to be everything in the box. I wouldn't say it's the most exciting box we've actually received. However, it's definitely not a bad box either. We got a full-size moisturiser. We got another moisturiser, which is a decent size. It's a travel size one, but it's still got a decent amount in it. We got the nail polish, which is like a higher end product. However, like, I'd rather a higher end makeup product than a higher end nail polish. This is a waste of my time basically, but it is only the bonus, so I can't really get too mad about it. The mask is alright. The hair mask, I mean, that's alright. It depends on your hair, and because everyone's hair is going to be different to it. So I don't know if they've done that correctly, but I'm glad it got hydrating because I'm a dry girl. And the cookbook, I mean, it's alright, but I mean, I don't see myself having time to create these recipes. Like, I just don't have time. All in all, it wasn't a terrible box. So yeah, if you like the video, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you got in your box, and I'll see you next time. See you guys.